Check the difference between these two videos, guys. This is before I tint this lace. You can see how whitish it is. It's not matching my skin tone. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily get your lace to match your skin color. Okay, so wearing it just the way it is, you can easily tint it yourself at home with just two products, guys. We are going to make use of two products. Hello besties, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily tint your braided wigs and also how to install your braided wig. So this is what I'm going to use. You can use your tint spray. There's what's called a spray tint for tinting laces, or you can equally use your foundation. Yes, you have me right. You can use your foundation, the one you use to apply on your face. So go with any foundation that is your color, just the normal foundation you use for yourself while you're doing your makeup. Get little, okay, just get little. You can use brush to do this. Okay, this is what I have. I am not a makeup kind of person, so I don't usually do makeup. So this is what I have. You can use this, or you can still use your makeup brush. Get little and start to apply it directly on the lace. Remember, this you must have cut off the wig cap on top of your lace. Okay, I've done a video on how to easily cut this off. Please check it out. So that apply it directly on the lace. Okay, not much, just apply it little. Okay, so that it won't cluster just at a place. Just apply it little. This is just what you need: your brush and your foundation. If you have a lens tint, you have a spray tint, that is a tint spray. I don't know how it's called, but I know it's called spray tint or whatever. You can use it to tint your lace. You can use that, or you can, if you don't have it, your foundation is good to go. When you apply this foundation, it will last for a very long time before it will be worn out. Then you can go ahead and apply another one. But trust me, this will last for a longer time before you can be able to apply another one. Okay, so just keep applying it this way. You can see there are changes, but I've gotten exactly what I want. Whereas there are changes between this and the first one, how it is originally, how it is to this one. So I keep applying this way. If you want me to do a video on how you can make your own spray tint at home for spraying your laces, instead of using your foundation, you want to be spraying it. Instead of doing this, you can simply just spray it and you are good to go. If you want me to make a video on how to achieve that, how to produce it yourself instead of spending money getting it at the store, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do that. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing, guys. If you don't know how I was able to do this wig, I've dropped the episode. I have two parts, part 1 and part 2, of how I was able to do this video, how I was able to do the braided wig, in case you don't know. So go ahead and watch this video. Like I told you guys, I don't have any single braided wig. Imagine me doing so many braided wigs for people. I don't even have anyone. So this is the first one I decided to get for myself. I decided that this year I am going to do many braided wigs for myself. Enough is enough now. How is it that I can be doing braided wig for people? I don't even have a one. The one I managed to have, I gave it out. What a word. So guys, when I'm done tinting, the next thing for me to cut off the excess lace in front of my wig. Careful guys, when you are doing this, be very careful when you are doing it to avoid damaging your wig. So be careful when you are doing this. If you watch this video to this point and you know you've gotten 1 or 2 values from it, why not consider hitting that like button? If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, join the family by hitting the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, subscription doesn't cost anything. Subscribe turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. And please, guys, share, okay? Comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. To others that will be supporting me by sharing my videos, liking, I really appreciate it, guys. Don't worry, soon I will surprise you all. Okay, I'll give to guys all my top sharers that will be sharing my videos, engaging. I know you all. Okay, so be careful when you are doing this. Be careful when you are doing this. Remember what we are trying to achieve here. We want to install our wig. Okay, tint and install. You can boldly see the difference between the original lace and now is matching my skin tone. So go ahead and wear your braided wig. Okay, go ahead and put it on with or without spray. You are good to go, because this size of braided wig, this is a 5x6 closure. It doesn't really need installation, but sometimes I can still wait applying my spray glue. I didn't say bond, I didn't say ghost bond, please. I said spray glue. You don't need to apply any ghost bond. Apply your use your spray glue or without. Just install, wear your wig the normal way, and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.